It's me. Okay, well, we need to... Hi, everyone. My name... Oh, Gabe, I can see your head. Hey, guys. It's me, Eliana, and I'm here with... Acapella group gets expelled from UMass. Hi, everyone. I'm Eliana, and I'm here with Rachel, Emma, Allie, another Emma, and Gabe. We are part of Wicked Pitch, one of the acapella groups at UMass. We have more members, but they're not here right now. But basically, we decided we want to stay overnight in the library, so that's what we're doing. We're gonna find a place to stay. We're on the 3rd floor right now, and it's pretty cozy, so. So since we're on the 3rd floor, and we have a lot of space here, we're gonna play Twister. But first, we need to do stretches, and Emma's gonna lead us in those stretches. Absolutely. You always have to stretch before Twister. Yes. 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 Welcome to my club. Doesn't even sound like it. We're done. Scorpio? I think so. Is it?
Which way do you guys want to go?
Oh my god, that's not good. Oh my god,
We have to
I love that. And then I move my
She's so flexible, and she has such a long torso. Art. All right, the table has been created. Walk in the direction of me, kids. The spider awakens. Wait, have you guys all seen me crab walking before? I can crab walk like a fucking demon, bro.
So, what are we playing?
What are they?
We're playing tongues. Tongues?
It's like a spoon, so we're gonna pass a card.
Tongue.
Tums?
Tongues. These are my cards. Oh, no one will.
I see
This is
it.
gonna be, and then you can turn it.
Is it on my face?
So much strategy involved.
There is.
I had 3 queens, but
Sorry, I want that.
why are you doing it?
Make you an entrance. I was like, what do you want to play?
My nail detached.
Teacher had a plan.
Are you bleeding?
Ow!
Oh, it's
alright. Band-aid, I'm in pain.
Bro, the Band-Aid's not gonna help that. It's under your finger.
Neosporin.
Because this is good content. We need to show
is
that
the
someone's got
content.
hurt.
Caution! No, clickbait. Injuries.
Went wrong.
Went wrong.
I don't get this too.
Oh, we still won.
Did I say it?
Yeah.
Asparagus.
Exactly the same.
I think I'm gonna vote Eliana because she moved a bit. It's similar to an asparagus would in a pan.
What time is it? You need a time check. It's 11:17.
Okay.
We've been in the library since what time?
Like 10:30?
30? Okay. Not bad, not bad.
Best friends.
Right foot green.
Out.
Right hand blue.
Stop it.
Whoa, it's getting feisty up in here.
We're ready. Parent on parents. That's incredible. Queen.
one was the one
gossip.
that smashed
But then someone
in
would sit behind
Nancy
me.
Kerrigan's knees.
I don't think she did it. Conspiracy.
Her knees smashed in with a lead pipe by her best friend.
Why? Why'd she do that?
Glory, baby.
Yeah.
Does anybody have a
Move
scarf?
your arms. Anyway.
Okay, so this is Emma. She works in the procrastination station in the first floor of the basement. So if you see her, if you go to UMass and you see her, order something. So we're playing hide and seek on this floor. I'm gonna hide in the bush. I'm gonna count to 20. 10, 11, 12, 19, 20. All right, here we go. Ben has been found. I saw someone over there.
Who could that be?
Rachel? Is anyone in the stairwell? Hi.
Bruh.
I have a feeling someone's in here. Emma and Allie. I can't find them.
Okay.
No way!
Why would you
No
let her,
way.
Why would you reveal her?
Whoa.
You're
That
not
was
secret.
so
We're
good.
all looking.
That was such
You
a good
told me.
hiding spot.
I'm so surprised you didn't find me because I was laughing. It was just this and I was
No! What?
Sup Eliana's vlog. We're doing Ben's version for hide and seek. I want to use this thing to get them. Let the games begin. Eliana. Guys, late night turns into expulsion.
Acapella group gets expelled from UMass.
All right, Gabe. Wait, he's calling me. Hello, what? I'm vlogging. Okay, Gabe. So here's the thing. We're about to run all the way up to the 21st floor of the library. Now, Gabe thinks I'm gonna cheat by going on the elevator, but I'm actually not.
Yeah, he's absolutely not gonna cheat.
His thing only goes up to the 5th floor.
Alright.
All right, ready, Gabe? 3, 2, 1, go. How you doing, Gabe? What floor are you on?
I'm on the 5th floor, my stairs stopped.
What'd you say, Gabe?
I ran down the stairs.
Sounds like you're cheating. See you at the top. Hey, bitch. Cool art.
We left the 3rd floor. We came to the, what floor is this?
20.
You want me to do slow-mo's part?
25th floor, and
I
we're
can
gonna
also-
sing. Hello. Do you want to hear us sing?
Leave them alone.
Really, they do. We're wicked pigs. You're Aryan.
You're you. You're you. You're you. Who am I? Fuck that one.
Okay. Thanks for watching our vlog.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.
Yeah.
Add us on Patreon if you really like our content.
But for real, follow us at UMass Wicked Pitch on Instagram to keep up with us. And obviously subscribe to my channel if you want more of Wicked Pitch.